These 10 AI tools are so powerful, so insanely useful, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or just plain curious, this video is your cheat code to getting ahead in 2025. Let's dive in. Tool 1, ChatGPT Plugins, GPT 4.0. You thought ChatGPT was smart? Wait till you add plugins. Now you can let it browse the web, analyze PDFs, summarize YouTube videos, even code entire websites for you. It's like upgrading your calculator into a full-blown personal assistant. And with GPT 4.0, it's now voice, image, and video capable too. Scary smart. Tool 2, Opus Clip. Long videos? Turn them into viral TikToks and Reels automatically. Opus Clip finds the best highlights, adds captions, and edits everything in seconds. It's like having Mr. Beast's editor, for free. Tool 3, Claude 3, by Anthropic. Think of it like ChatGPT's smarter cousin. Claude 3 can analyze up to 1 lakh words in one go, documents, scripts, books, everything. It also feels more human, less robotic. If you're into deep research, this one's a game changer. Tool 4, Gamma.app. Presentations, reports, websites? Just type your idea and Gamma does the rest. It builds professional decks with design, structure, and visuals. No PowerPoint stress ever again. Tool 5, Perplexity AI. This is Google, if it got a PhD. You ask a question. It not only answers, it shows sources, summarizes data, and updates live from the internet. Ideal for students, researchers, or anyone who's tired of fake info online. Tool 6, Leonardo AI. AI need jaw-dropping visuals? Leonardo is a mid-journey level art generator, but faster and easier to control. Create characters, logos, thumbnails, all in stunning detail. No design degree needed. Tool 7, Flicky Flea. Got a blog or script? Flicky turns it into a pro-level video in 5 minutes. It adds voiceovers, visuals, background music, everything. This one's for lazy creators who want fast results. Tool 8, Agent GPT. This tool lets you create your own AI worker. You give it a goal, like find 5 profitable business ideas, and it does all the research step by step. It's like hiring a freelancer who never sleeps and costs nothing. Tool 9, Rewind AI. This one's straight up futuristic. Rewind records everything on your screen, meetings, research, chats, and makes it searchable like Google. Forgot something your boss said last week? Just search and boom, it's there. Tool 10, Kyber AI. Want to turn a photo into a music video? Kyber does that. Upload any image, add music, and boom, cinematic motion effects with AI. Artists and musicians are going crazy over this.